I put the I don't say go that.
I'm Papa.
I say go that.
I'm a person that.
Straight.
My person.
Her weekend like it Harry.
Lat, my person. Lat.
Her weekend like it Harry.
My person lat.
Ka be the user.
Ba Christo ba tleng tshwara. Ke tla ba bona. Ba ga tshwetse ke se rata. Le ba Christo le re a tlola. Mara ka o le di judge tla di phone call. Because judgment are not breaking mix. Ona le amanne. Ere emetseng ka letsatsi le. So di judging ya letse.
So investigate tsa kitsa go kae.
Di just shooting ya na tsa di phone call. Tsa di judging. The Bible said Deuteronomy. Hey, judge tsa di phone call. Judgment, the doctrine, the judgment. Dina Tempesa, South Africa. Judgment. The judgment.
Magana ba jaja go ikela ya. It's fine.
I want to give phone call. Phone call. The Steve Gate tsa judge. Adina Tempesa, Republic of South Africa.
Ma pa re di account dia.
Abana le tšo.
Oh. Ke na ke tsele di trenda mo Facebook.
Oh, tsele. With judgment. Le di tempe tsa bona. Di tempe tsa bona. Ke tsa enke ya ballpen. I wanna we on tadi le bubutswa le enke le.
Yeah, go tlase.
O batla. I did that thing and I from Congo, Dr. Noma. Lucas says, if
you don't listen to piano, of the ing.
Of the ing, Abahokanilur. I told Murna, I hear Murna.
Doctor, you are talking better. We can think. E ra tshwara moya ke be ke mo go ke betsa posa e ke betsa piano mo
ngati ka tswa mo go eng ke jika ganya wait but ba simula go nkitsi no kana go tsaka ka ba botsa ne ke rapella batho ka ntho Oliver Mtukuse.
Okay,
ne ke ntsha matimona ka Oliver Mtukuse kana go ke tlo rapella batho ne ke letsa
Oliver Mtukuse.
Yeah, before my piano na famous ne ke letsa ma Oliver Mtukuse ne le favorite ne ra ke tlo rapela batho be ke letsa Oliver Mtukuse. Yeah, e seng ka worshiping song tse utlwisang botlhoko bo ke le mo ke tsa tente ya Freita ga go re bontate ba le bana le di scratch ba dutse kwa le ba pila ba emetse dibeko tsa 12 la ba bona la bina se fela se a ha ke le mo
ha wa mo sheba ke di mo ka se la se se kwalwa ene ke utlwa se la se kwalwa motho ka go ja ha ke le mo a sheba ne bara se ba bona ke ne e ka se sa mo ja ke I know. Come to say, "Go to Yana."
And then come ready to Utama, Banabina, come around 12 hours outside the Beco. Uta Pina Maritinal Batabuti.
Why,
about who bullion, so Bakana now.
Dr. November.
My boss,
we see a doctor.
No,
doctor.
Thank you, Mama.
Thank you, doctor.
Thank you, Mama.
Moricha mo tefe mesela go emetse. Wa go doctor Clara before it's ena Clara ka message u tsena hore e ka ba ne tlo bua kae ngwana doctor November.
No, ya rona go mo dula isisi tena. E dula isisi tse mamedi le besile sa feleng.
Yo.
Ke none of the out of order
of the
none of E8 E8
Yeah, doctor ka ba tla di breathe in.
Ke ba tla gore
ka lona o doctor ka mo.
Ke ba tla gore enter non stop ma tsone ke ba go itisa ka English. It's going 8 in straight none. I'm bored when into some
illustration ya mata illustration ya ke batla illustration ke ya mo batla ha ka itse wa ke go pare participation so am tulo be ma kana go patleng batho ba ka mo itseng ya mo batla as I believe ha le ka mo bona tle le mo motheo mo go mo ke miso on the in and out of Mutino.
Bueno, mistress.
Dr. Selman.
Get sharp. Yeah, no, get sharp, my post. Hope you are not sharp.
I know Kisiami, doctor.
Mamedi Kapela Kala Facebook, he Pastor November and Victorious Faith Ministry ke life. Pastor November and Victorious Faith Ministry ke life when I'm TikTok only thank you life. O Pastor November kapa Dr. November. O Dr. November kapa Pastor November ke life when I'm Mamedi Karata. Yes, papa.
Doctor. Ya no gompieno ai no ke batle gore ke re bikiana re bele go thukunyana re ke batla re bue ka gannye doctor man go o itse motho mo ka re ene le bitse ke ka re kile la ebu mara fanda ga ile ebua ka tsela eng go gore ka tswana tla re o tsa motho go botsatsa gore ha mo appreciate mo tsa motsatsa
okay
a ke tsika sotho motho mo tla tlhalosa ka sotho se se gateletsegile gore how appreciate motho o dulang le ene gore okay o teng le phela o teng it's fine go appreciate motho o partner ya gago o marriage mo le mo mosadi wa gago or monna gago doctor appreciation e I think last week hana re bua doctor re bua ka honesty ne bile be gona le motho o reng o tla utlwa botlhoko motlhango sa tlho ona le seo o nona le shona o tla le gona se batla so re be tsa re tla re kopanya re dira appreciation appreciate motho na le nyane ha re bua ka no kompendo
hey my pause that one yona it's a problem appreciation
appreciate
motho you my pause on go blend. It's a problem. It's serious. Mo manyalo le mo di relationship. It's a serious problem. Eta ba go appreciate about ba o renang le bona. And that the tloko blele spirit. Ma pozole mamidi wa mto FM. It's a serious problem. Yeah, and the problem the biggest problem is umula guy. Biggest challenge. Re batho ba ba payang di attention mo re batho ba payang attention di phosong tsa batho. You go boy Pete. Nthetsa re se go la appreciate batho. Re batho ba payang attention di phosong tsa batho. Now, let me do something. If ke shebetse kwa. Nthetsa la ka moraka ke a bona. If ke shebetse kwa. Ke a bona nthetsa la ka moraka. Oh, I keep bona. Now, when but paying attention ke ntho tswana le yona o focus a di persons tsa motho o bo qeteletso sa bone le dintho tse important tsa motho tse bohlokwa tsa batho and go go to my post that one is a problem that is a serious problem I saw which kind of thing but wa ka kena YouTube ya ka ba tlhomamela mo ke rutang ka appreciation and how huna ntho dangerous tshola ka o appreciate motho because number one you are the more ubolaya morale wa motho ya o yetsetsang dintho kapa ya tembo philo mao kapa ya tryang ubolaya morale wa motho ya tryang le ya yetsang dintho ba kensa ha ubolaya morale. Number two, you are discouraging that person. But if you don't appreciate the person, you are discouraging the person. When moto au yetsa dinto kapa try au yetsa dinto what when you say it's my post I'm going to make an example come to it nto lebza kit utlekere leb nto tapo moshimane wa ke mrata o mon
o kena mo
yes said something very powerful are honna are Dr. November ene re ha ke fihla mona ene ka be ke thola batho ba ja be ke ba botsa hore dijo tsena di rekwe ke mang ba ba re ke Dr. November and ha ba tsholo jalo ke ne ke sa hlole ke etsa ntho because ne ke etsa pele but you know why I didn't know what that thing it mattered so much the presenter because kana go tsene phone le ba gamatolo le botsa ke go paretse the presenter a braai be ke kenya chelete ke go pa fela ba etse braai and then in because re tla na ho le ba bona so I didn't know hore nto this thing ya matter le ntle le taba o etsa braai ne ke tla be ke re no ha ke fika mona ke re ke dijo ke ba rekela dijo kapa ke ba fetšhelete I didn't know hore ya matter ranto until ke tlo utlwa ka Thapo ha bua ha Tebo mpolella ntho eo and ha mpolella ke ne sa hlole ke etsa mpolella wa sa hlole ke etsa because there was no one who came to me I appreciate ntho eo now yentse e beleile moral wa ka ya bola moral wa ka number 2 ya etsa hore ke bone this thing is a value and camera hore ke realize hore this thing doesn't value ke ke tso yona I did not expect appreciation but it at least once when just to bontsha motho re ntho e etsa ke I appreciate ka pa ke I bona because appreciation is a sign ya hore I ke I bona ntho e etsa ka pa o nketsetsa yona we don't do dintho tse jwalo mapose and now entseng e bolaile moral re na le banna ba bangata ba sa hloleng ba etsa nitse for basadi ba bona re be re ba le basadi ba sa hloleng ba etsa nitse for banna ba bona be re ba le ba di girlfriend ka pa boyfriend tse sa hloleng di etsa anything for boyfriend ya ka pa girlfriend ya why because re bolaile di moral tsa batho re discourage tse batho because if people ba le ba ka tseba appreciation king bana ba tlo etsa ndate if we can understand appreciation ke imapose hore batho ba ka ba tsema hore appreciation ke hanyane fela when you appreciate mapose kama ntso mankiri mapose ke ibona effort ya ene ke honor when you appreciate that it's a sign ya hore ke bona effort ya you yetsa ke bona di efforts tsa o di yetsa when you appreciate that also I'm motivating you or do more it's a happy you get my point I'm aware ka dintho tsena appreciation it says a lot in that but let me tell you something I think about ba yetsa nyemo and that is why rena le banna ba today aba sa etsa next for basadi ba bona o tlo monna mosadi are na wa ka tshwantse ke mo kope chelete every day the reason why also mo kopa is because there is nothing e mo pusha or au fetchelete ka pa o yetse dintho
and doctor ha be ne ga ke utlwa sentle go appreciate mo does not mean ke santse ke mo ne sante le kana go nka mbontsha hela gore I appreciate you ka go mo bontsha ka go bua doctor Kirela we so ntritse shone mo moshong breakfast we
shema boss
we how on tlhatswa pele we thank you that thing
appreciation is cheaper because like you said mpo or appreciation ka appreciate motho ka molomo fela and appreciation
you don't need to pay
you don't need to do anything you don't how to ke maphosa ha re tlhoke dilo tsene re tlhoka fela and appreciation ya teng ke tla ke re dintho tsena batho ba di etsa ka nako tsene ha ba tsebe hore ha re etsa mohlala when you appreciate ke a le bua mpho ka ntho nke tsetse yona mara ke di busy ke tlhatswa dijana ke a le botlheka tsheta mphileng yona qetile ke busy tlhatswa dijana mapho mphohle ke busy ntse tlhatswa thank you ka tsheta mphileng yona thank you unthusitse ke tlhatswa dijana ba tshware ntse dijana se se release tinchi go re di kuku tse di health tse di gana ka masiba tswana nna ya kuku itse di kuku tse di gana ka maphuka yona no health no ke la bona kuku ga e taboga bile tlola trata o re o bontsha hore ke batle nix ya go ke felt no I see keep as a velting because we don't have people who appreciate them. Now let's go back to recheck our why but appreciate. One to focus on mistake. Why? Because one of the things that focus on mistaking go bana re le bana hore ntong enngwe le enngwe nang le di mistake kapa e jonjo marina le ntho moleng o nang ka moleng there's a good thing maphosa hlomona mpo o bona today una le batho ba ka reng ha o ka bolela ka mpho ba ragong a re tsene tsa gampo but there are people ba tla bolela mate ho na le molemo. So what I'm trying to say lin ho na le batho ba tla re November motho ba ha se ka mplela ka
November ba bona le ba bang ba
le batho ba bona molemo. Now here's the problem. Tabena o focus the probleming ke yone tsa re ska ra hlola re ska re khona bona bohlokwa ba batho maphelo a rona. O focus botaweng ba monna wao. O focus hore o cheatile. O cheatile nini last year. Late today. Now here's the thing mo mamedi wa ka ratang enkang wumpu ya ka baby ya mo molaleng. Her mamedi yeno enka wumpu ya ka kutlo wumpu ya ka pa kutlo idutse mo mamedi idutse mo na throat oh
give the give the mistress
no more problem. Important to look at champion and
yeah, not to say it's more than quarter.
When but thank you. Akasi emphasize thank you. Kappa appreciation ya how we would or this person wa appreciate. Mar mohlang we entempos she will make sure he will make sure that or message you fihla clear when or we entempos awa you kampo awa you miss call keep it hona le batho ba so when we entempos utlo ema mo le tlo bua ka phoso a o bontshe the way o yentseng phoso gore ai bue taba ya mistake ya hao gore ai bue o fihlelle
go utlwelona ra
ha le se le buile na go telele
go le nyano
ka se gole ne re
ska emela blaring
but take the same mistake the same person ya gona go address a mistake gore ha batla le bue ka mistake aka o tsosala ka 12 o'clock aka o tsosala ka 3 o'clock le the following day aka bua le next week tshwantse go bua ka yona that mistake but the same person all your good thing maphosa aka se di bui ka passion jona jona ka bua ka mistake sao.
Amen.
La re ka ra chaisa
la re ka chaisa doctor
la re ka ra tsamaya
go appreciate that's the key.
Hari bui the way re bua ka di mistake tsa batho mistake ya motho we bua o fihlella
ke re next year
le next year le ka moso le ka 12 o'clock ta bontsho motho se nkala state ibile a lo Eastern Cape ngala state vuka state ke vuka state ha ile wa ka mona ka lesotho ka mona ka baka mona ke tswa re bua se motho mdimo nna ntse ke batla ke re bua ka yona
se bona ka re motho mdimo
le tlo bua ka ntshela le bua ka yona le bua ka yona mara tlo go jwetsa the same that person we mistake we bua ka passion but the same person a ka se re when I appreciate a bua ka passion ba bua ba feta taba appreciation. Thank you hleka tšheltano nthusitse hle thank you ndetse tlo ja
o itile tla mo tšhelete
o fitile o nthusitse hleka tšheltano ke lebo o mplela o tlo ja tlo petile ndate petile appreciate lo petile ha hona batho ba kgona go appreciate and people but that is why ke blela batho ba ka that is why rena le batho ba nang le dintho tse re di hloka mara ba sa kgone go re fa tsona mboke ke batla go bua le bomme le bontate there is no way o le mosadi especially monna a afford a botsa mo kope tšhelete you don't ask money especially when you are a woman you need to have a way of stealing the heart of your partner
so that money
kgono iketsa it's a lamino because let us be honest mpo I will no re fane ka tšhelete mamedi tšhelete ya monate o rontsha tšhelete a se ntho monate tšhelete mo se e hana la o so ka dimo ka dimo mo ngana re ke tlo ne ya ka la bohlano ha fihla mo mamedi ka to e tshwara salary ya e kare o ka utla ho the mothane o etsa itse thapwa ya modimo ka
ba wa tlo go ibusa
go ra utla o bile o feta bona tent
timo o tswa ke yena
gore modimo ka kampa ba o etsa thato ya ntate modimo mo hopotse ha o nahana tlo mo patala so you can imagine now ke yona motho re ntse re sokola fa batho di tšhelete re sokola ho thata but one motho ya batlang tšhelete na le expectation ma tsa appreciate no It's a problem. That is why Ronald Basadi ba kopang ditšhelete banna ba bona. It was not supposed to be like that. The same way le banna, there was no need mamilo ka ratong le monna bo kopa tšhelete. It ya tshwana le bana. Bana ba rona they don't need to ka ba jwetsa kere ke man. Kere tseba o wina pelo ya motho sona ke motho. I we ketsa halele hore a utlwe hore o tshwanela ho etsa something for you. And appreciation is a problem. Come it. But batho bana ba ka ba tsema hore ba kwetse dipelo tsa batho jwang.
But doctor, most of the time motho le marriage counseling wa di bona dilo tse doctor.
Yes.
E bentse wela tlhaltla go re feng thata. Is it bo methata ba sa appreciate mo ntate
ya ba methata. Ke bom. As much le bon ntate ba yetsa. Le bom ba especially bom. Because you know why le bom? Because ke bona batho ba need expectation too much ba me. Ba sa di ke bona batho ba need expectation. Now the problem here na ya hore o thole when you are the person who doesn't appreciate you are not even able to see what this person or try. I'm good. Do you know that when about try when I offer 500 kore ubutolo of that person what try like about 500 you go to my church. If you guys even like at all, when I go before Kerera, but what about a Maggie I'm patched it. So much of a city tomato panto, Cabam Rand, Umampa 20 Rand. All of them keep a far hack. Thank you so much. I appreciate that. All of them that. All of them. But in that, I know Hormutun when Mutansa Chelet, I'll fire now. It is not like he reserve bank mutu. Mutu 500 kapa 1,000 rand. Has he reserve bank mutu? Muton unkile from Hoyen, Nkaba yense something kachelte. Mutau reketi gift in that aspendile chelte. Muton Nkaba yense something kachelte. Nkaba yense something. But for the fact that we are in a spirit so appreciate. We inga ikarutu mkomu mutoni. We inga from the reserve bank. So that is the reason. And rekweti di pelo sabatu. Rekweti di pelo sabatu swing. Dukwa le. Dukwa le na mamirika wabonsa lino. Baklete tkhale lino tamo. Ba biska di brate na le di trata mona hana le channel mona hana mo fa tsheta di bra di na le trata ibile mo sfube mo o motho e mo goba trata ani e mo goba ba ke ntsa matswele o motho se bile ba di sokinya solo tape le toilet paper toilet paper mo sa a ntse fufulela ya chepo ba sabile sa bua ka di tight ki alpha le omega million maubani kiona kashiku
losa
ni maubani ni nobody shouts on because osa ni ki o tlo ka lama na tight hadisa rokeha ba ke tsa di rupi fedile monna o dutse ka tšhelete ka mpa isa lapeng le lenyane ba di omisa le ka microwave kana no o tle microwave o duma o se ona na mo tsetsa breakfast o tlo kolo a o hlodisa ka mo kolo o bona na le ntwe ntse e betsa dress ka tight ka nto ka microwave Ndi miso ka hair dryer e duma o se kanto misa
ya go tsela go
fedile di kharinga e sa tshwara la sa re wa e roka mngana e bile ba di shebile netso kamba phosho antsa ya pelo e shebile netso e coverile fela ka mathoko ka mo marman mo tsantsi cover ha
khona why
Doctor, di kwaetse kantle tu ane wa ka ntse tshwantse di kwaelo ka vaslap
yo tlontle tla ile ja ngwana mo ditse bo TFM take it for fun alright
Che, novi. Ah, chicha wa bulaya tle. Yo. Yo, nkosi yami, yo. Yo, tate November ka ngwana mindset. Yo. Nkosi yami ayishuka. Aluyivipeje sibetho.
Balaka ka tight docs. Umshonga head dryer. Balaka tight. But it's painful, but kore I wanna know the doctor, but it's true. Because batho ba bang ba appreciate mo relationship
people don't appreciate bona. Ke tla get example. Alba fe di number tsa WhatsApp.
Number tsa WhatsApp ke 069
069 ke WhatsApp number Mamela Studio.
069
ke 069
846 54 76.
Ready Peter?
069
WhatsApp number
846 54
76.
Phone call ba ka re tshwara le teng. Phone call nya mo motheo ke 071 394 95 60 071 394 95 60. Are Pastor November jo a hle tight it. Are jo murut a win cut. But the doctor is true.
Now tloko blele ntho se appreciate it. Ne ntho se appreciate the person. Ke about ba selfish.
Motheo dumela. All right, yeah, doctor.
Okay, but what's appreciating? All of them are selfish, self-centered, selfish, because everything is a mokgotsofatsa to address. But mohlang utlo address, utlo focus on the tseo yena tsa mokgotsofatsa ka pa ditsa motho. But ona mohlang atlo aka focus wena a lebale ka di mistake tsa hao.
Ke tlo bola mkhona. Motheo dumela.
I can't really say you need to be called a doctor. Or catch up with cook after a very long day. What's not spices are to say. Combination a little baby, looking me, catch on me cook or a little combination little baby. I took up. Gali book 50,000 deliver baby. I took up.
Wow.
No, Ralebucha Tata.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Doctor Wauta, khona batho ba bona gore really o solvile gore khatlong khona le bothata bo boyalo. Ibile ke mo beile ke buletse wele se ka bo mo ke tla utlwe monna ka ba mosadi ke tla utlwe. And doctor November, o tsoma metse doctor tsare, tsoma metse lempo, tsoma utlwa o mo shoota mare re bua nne. E tlhagala ka reng re go ya scamp ka para kobisa but ke nne.
Market.
It's true. Motheo dumela. Dumela ra. Dumela date. Yeah, right, doctor. All right. Doctor.
If but never got appreciation again. And when auto appreciate moto, yet the effort onto you. Especially when I can mulum kapaka. When I'm mutato, I can yet some root or 80% on appreciate. What's a little mutato fans a small gift to appreciate you. Obutore, we yet and equally I yet a big. Emma go beat out I yet a jujot munati, Emma yet a jujot. I set up a munati. I could tell about you know why came into it. It is because Kibatotoro, thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Come to ENC. Yeah! My boss!
Doctor, you are not going to level of
You!
Never.
That. And when Mutayet as well, I'm telling you, Hosani, you want to do more. And far better than you in set up. People, they don't know the importance of setup money. Kiruta kauna everyday lo like guys, create and set up. Set up ya buampo. When ki explain ki ba kataba set up. When ki bualwen, kelelo ya motho ya tlwa hela, ha o bua le yena. Let's say ki bualwen ntse ke tlhatswa di jana ke di bis. Your mind ya tlwa hela. Also, another address issue. We cannot every time there address a issue got the same system. That is why also sometimes you must create a good setup. Setup is saying, "O shoka
okay, maybe it's serious. Okay, maybe
then full attention. Baby, you know what? I did this because and Mushamuto appreciate how mix it in talk. You told labor marry. That doesn't mean
forgive you. We set up a nice smart nice setup.
No, o tsana le motho kopa tshwarela ba re ke kopa go tshwaretse re tshwarelane you don't do that. No, but I wrote the setup. Setup my pause. You are shocking the mind of the person. How to do the motive ready or mamela. Baby, the reason why I can't say now what? What's happening? What is happening? Then I'll put now attention. Now, when you appreciate the mood, you don't focus the problem leading to that is why that guy will be like
okay.
You are not okay. Mommy, it in Facebook okay. Ibe with the mama so the mafia. Why born at home? Away born.
Next.
Why was I born? It's very close.
Very close.
Ain't the same thing? We Shebelemon.
Albani Mzanzi.
Thank you that. High limo, illy distance in we one born. So there most thank you, Papa. That is why most about to recreate because when unali in trainer illy close pillar how our bonny bush of Mushangiring Ilingua, we want that thing important.
How Dr. November the example very good.
How that is why I'm about to regret today because Haka Bonamutobu partner Riley Bushokwa. Until I will lose. I appreciate them. It's Nanali Anya. Nanali Anya Marite. It's Ubutu. Nanali Anya shame. Family. That's a mail.
Our money, you. I don't see her.
We don't appreciate
because of
we don't appreciate
our appreciation.
We don't appreciate.
We don't.
Aneking yet. Neke this mura wa my ex name. Kuna bila bulela mama so hai otamali papa unampita papa mura wa hai arjo otamali papa re ke bothata because every time le rakta ba di shopo ne ke le bala le nne ne ke sheba di phahlo tsa bomme ke sheba something inga tlisang happiness just to appreciate bophilong baka. Now go with when you appreciate a person other thing you are dealing. Agree with you are motivating the person, you are motivator, motivator, and now, you make the person happy. Appreciation happy, yet a motivator happy. Kiba happy when you realize how you appreciate you. Kerega appreciate to an extent that is why I love to serve that church. I serve that church with all I ke hesitating ka paka ya ke kula. Why? Because I know I serve but ba gona go appreciate so ke ntsona.
Le ke tlo botsa le thing doctor ke motlhang o kula nyane o
ke aya nna kana ka wa ka bike kana ka ke go ga noka I go o ka ba botsa ke re ke nyaka I go ke kula. Why? Because the way that churching appreciating that thing in appreciating that what's all ke appreciate ke hlanswa keng ke dutse ka tlong fela ke se ka rakereke be ke bona phone ya ka e click motho ba deposit ya tšhelete what's my bolelang e bolela gore it's a sign ya gore motho ya melantsa le busy ka mapaka hae o ka ra kelelwa ya hae o ntse o nagana when motho o appreciate o rekela gift ka pa bua ka pa etsa ka pa o romela message
no matter how
small that but that person ore it's a sign ya ore wa bona ke mona ke jobe ka kapa ke kai but ke ntse ke nana ka wena ke ntse ko nana so that is why appreciation is motivating batho ka tsela ba ka tsa e re tlotse mamela because every time ke be ntse re complain mpotsa mo bosigo tsa mo bosigo o naganele wa o dira botagwa bo ba gago o dula go la ka botagwa ba mpho but sometimes sheba dilo tse mpho di dirileng beside botagwa wa sa shebe dintho tsentle mami ke the problem
doctor the voice note di teng di tlhopanya
le
message all right
November yes I'm November competition ka ndaga yana ekhona tate moruti November limpho o bo mo fa motho tšhelete a ba re ho wena o lebetse gore thanki ko ra ba o bolela ba re o lebetse ile gore o sa hopotswa ko wena gore jwale a ba nna o botse jwale eng batho ndimo ha ka o fa tšhelete yo ke lebetse
Dumelang ka studio. Date no VI on qatile hle o re cash fit re domisa ka microwave le hair dry. Yo palen date mo ruitse. Yo ka ehle. Ai, dira ko mametse hle on kata ona bua ka di relationship le manyalo. Wan kata mara ntse ke ratile tsatsile na ke ho bua ka hore batho ba bangata ba shebile dintho tsa batho feta maphelo a bona yo yena ke nnete ai ntate modimo etsa ntle November ke go le nna o non rapedise hle ntate November hey o bima
doctor o tlumela tsengwe etsa maileng for
no ke utlwe what's what go bolelle something ona le nthe ke batlang ke re bua ka yona and I know a lot of people about to tell when your partner wa hao o lentate o rata tshebeletso ka kamoreng o rata dikabelo tsa ka kamoreng tsa bethe basadi ba tinea kana kongwe go tlanda
ke go reditse lo
batine ya gore ka nako tse ding e ka raka screw full ka Bobo John Spanier ka paka Fetin Spanier kur ai ka screw full ai chepol ai tshwara ka lotsogo a ba re ke go gagane le ne e bere ke le mo lotsogo o itse bana ba roba le ke utlwile mpa
ke doctor le metse flugo ba gore boretse
basadi ba tine kana go tse ding and the reason why basadi ba tine kana go tse ding ko o ntsha dikabelo tsa everyday sometimes sex drive ya rona basadi le banna ha e tshwana o na le batho ba nang le sex drive e hodimo especially bontate o na le sex drive e hodimo ya bomme but if o na le mosadi wena o le ntate as o na le sex drive e hodimo basadi ba tine gore ke bua meta kere ba tine gore ko re o mmone gore o di trick o tla ba ipolele o tla ba complain yona sa tsene ka tshetse ha ba tle gore ke na le hlaba ka mokokotlo le sa ba tle ke robala ka mokokotlo sa tsa o fa molae tsa gore mokokotlo next e mo ga kena ka tlung anta ke ba kena tshwapile ba chepula di week because di loss aba kena ka tlung o chepula week yo bana ba ka papa khathi mama khathi today mama khathi kura ke batlelo kore ha ke batlo tshwarwa kore ka re leske lantina bana ba mara hantle tla buile ba
buelle ka
bua lwe ene lwe no se dutse ka di shopene tse ka re ke moso jujeta le no se tsipankanye o ipakantse o sentse o budgetile re fana ntwe ke tlo yetsa nyukotsi motho ba kena santse o ditsa shopene Nyana ditse sa ka re ha shopene mo butu ba le bona ma o bitse senyane ba sa di shopene tse re mala ke tswa ba tla shopene Como que BVD ina le bo mahia di koko gore BVD ya teng ke ntina gore re bona di BVD tse di scotch o le BVD ka re ke ina le bo tsionyana o entse di decoration ya teng ke bo tsionyana tsionyana na le hlo e yelo
ele ya silky
tena go bo butwa se re ka di thola trate ke di tshise ka ofela wa parento Steve hlola ke jetsa go ba bontate ke fela ke bontate aparanto Steve e gona go drawya ba bitsa in
print man
re bona print
ya ra
ya mo bona ibitsa what bana ba bangata ba itse bintho e jwang jalo o tlo bona ntatone ka re ke Josephina Agnes a theosa wa nyolosa ka tlung o ya ka kitchening gore ka re ke Josephina moso straight fela ka re ke moso wa tralala so now here's the problem as much mosadi o e lo hao mo motivate ka yona ntwena yo e ratang gore a ska o sokodisa ka yona you motivate your partner. Agree, you know, when your sex drive is too high, and this person in a quotation have a thing. For you, sometimes motivate. You give baby today, you could get something. Kapa baby could tell a put regular in Mutoka. Why don't regular in terms of baby could get in tell because today, tobacco. Kurpete is cruel. Because if you don't motivate this person, se fa pona mapotso ba se di batene ga gore e ka re a ka itshepula e ka re ka screwful mamedi a ba e be mo ditshogong a re butwaka ke e berekele mo ditshogong now ga gane le nna now you need to motivate but motivate a partner ya gago. Sometimes on blame baby today ke batla re explore fela baby ke tlo fabukana ka baby ha o ka mpha ka tsela enngwe especially ke tlo fabukana ba sa di ba rata tšhelete batho ba rata tšhelete go rata tsentse mo matšweleng ana le a gage mara ka motshepisa enngwe gape yo ka head bottom mamedi e tlo kgaoga di piece motho wa mo motivate le basadi the same thing you need to motivate your partner so le dijo you know you need to motivate your partner. Why is it also an American monto? The lady not le ex-wife yaka.
Okay.
So when I bereka ex-wife yaka,
okay.
And ex-wife yaka. So in India, most of the time in India, Antiana ape. Most of the time, that in that lady at our pay. At Katauja. Negeta the same thing in a kieta the restaurant. In 300. How to let skin board in country and take bear or the masking board. Keep weapon and that mudi. Auntie Wagatu. Mapos. Auntie Ekimopatala. ele ke mo patala mo fa salary ha qetile o pay sometimes ke a tlola dijo if ke jela ka mo kreta if a tlola ta ke nka 300 ke be o di mask board or a tlola ta a thiyo una mpitsa papa yo papa ta nki hle o sane o matha o batla bona ntho ngwe le ngwe a nketsa because we don't know how to motivate people libo anti ba runa re tsebo bo motivate you go to my church le bo botsa bo mpongtseng bo sile ke ra ke ba motivate ntse ke ba patala di salary tsa bona but ona no ke tla be ke re tshwarang tšhelete ke na ke ba fi la ke ba berekisa kontlo mabaka e singa kere kana wa tseni ke ba patala ke ba lebo fere ke tshwarang because you're motivating the person
and you appreciate na go ba etseng
I'm doing that. So banna if baka it's bantu that work it doesn't matter what ke mosadi wa hao but ontso tseba hore ke mosadi wa hao you are motivating this person or athabele ho yetsa ntho athabele ho save athabele ho yetsa dintho if ntate modimo o thusitse ona le tšhelete extra nyana you do something for this person baby today sorry I get this thing and even how it's okay ka weekend ke batla hore this woman ke mo motivate you come ka dilo tsa ka di gift tsa from fa umunati mo mamedi umunata o tlo kopana le mutantsa o jetsa hore ona le hlabala mokokotlo
le hlabala abua
le bontate yeo ke nkile ka bua mona motho ka re bomme le haika ba o mahlalela mpo basadi ba bangata bona bile ba ntena ka pelo ka kaofela ba ntena hore ka nka ba laisha ka truck ona jwa ke lo ba tipa ke tsebe kae ha ya site la vepela ke lo ba theola mo because basadi ba bangata most ya batho ba receiving they don't know how to motivate wena motho ba receive mo yena doesn't matter how sebetse mosadi ya sa sebetseng ka ba girlfriend ya sa sebetseng know how to motivate your partner in from the little money you nang yon o gona mo motivate from the answer o feel chelete sometimes if you are not a selfish person answer o feel chelete but sometimes you play baby I saw this thing you reketse into na ka chelete no mphile yona ke ka bona how na le monna ya gona o tlo bona monna no how trust because it's a sign ya mo blender baby ke a una hana la ke le ka tropo so hona le basadi ba reng ha ke na ka tropo ka toropo una hana la yena fela o reka dintho fela yena every time hona le basadi ba batle ba smart martha mo se ba banna ba bone ka re ke di khutsa monna wa hae ka re ke ngwana wa a siweng ke batswadi ka next door Hona le basadi who couldn't even appreciate their partner momamedi especially na bo usbaka the same money you motho feeling yona you can take that money mo rekela something o qetile tlo itlima back what's almost this person on checked and hana likelelo what's about okay ke file motho ka 2000
yes
we spend le nreketse ntho ka 1.5 utshoro o isho this then as a man o sa no tlo mo fa chelete again you know this person ona ga
wherever she is o mo temo ke lo nyaka
o te
doctor
ha re nke mamedi
motho dumela
Ina dimela mpoza
le kae
amana kana ho kae
gamonate
ke rata ho leboha tsa nozika mo itlile ka etsa appreciation ho Pastanovi ene hane a nthusa o manya molekane o ne ke na lena molekane le yena ntse ho Pastanovi are ba ka ho tsanya ya disensi Pastanovi a monka mme ka thukwa mo botsa a kopanya ga botsa a gola mbe te mona ba tantisi yo fumane ntsi ho nna kumphumane ke mo re bona go ke le tsotlala sifua di dikutere le tseng wani yena o sa batla motho ya motenya a di clients e ba ha ke na ntse nne Pastanovi a mo betsa a re bona ntate a presita mosadi wa sa le tsona o mfumana le tseng a ke tebe a tshintsa so go mo o nna ha na tsona ke ka re ke di dinga re tsena ha ke sitla ke tla ke tsena ke dibele ke aparetse mo mane ke mo rekele wa bona go Spider-Man di Superman di tsone ka so o ne tla di tse so nganga tse ke ga ke mo ntse go ka o bona ma no ke go ka rekela a tla la go rata ya o pia mo ke ga re ntse mme o yetsa gore o be hantle for yena le wena se ka mo batla se tse modimo tsa mo fa tsona e ka so ba tani ke tsone e mara ba thaotse modimo tsa mo fa ga tlame o re ke go ka tšhelete a nka a presida pastanezi le ka ba ka bona gore ka buka massage pastanezi la bitile le mane ke motsatsela na o butela di massage ko le professor o ke sena matang ka o rekela ene ba o ko le mo go tšhelete o tsentso e tsentso go ba tle ene na nda twa.
Thank you so much.
La jali pastanezi nge a thusa empa he ka tie la ba tsantela ba ona ba ka di ke ke sena tsona tse di dina sampanto na anti ke ba tsone bona
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Doctor. Wow.
No, maposo bomme re le bo khetse daka but bomme ba appreciate di partner tsa bona ka di se mani of fanyo ma appreciate are mo ke maposo.
All right. All right, o no go khile doctor. Don't do the voice note setting kise doctor.
Ay. Kila bogang ka face 5 ka. O ane bila antlo mo tsekeng o be mo go bona papa mo go bona.
Yo, Pastor Novi, I want pola ya she wait again. On sa stress papa.
Motheo dumela. Motheo dumela. Tla re temogele doctor phone ga ya lla mare e buela ko tlase thata go na le voice note ya 2 minutes doctor ke pina e mo se heletseng motho a sena 2 minutes
re tsa binyana
ke be se binyana ora re ke utlwe se tlhogo sa tenyela doctor ke utlwe se kampa ba da profit because anu ga re se tsene ka surgery ntse ba se no clean
Dimelang Wantati ke mametse hantle so ntate November a nhlakisetsa yona mo e bang ja utlwisisa ke mona mo go nthiu ya o ananela ne motho ha o hatile hantle go amoela go ananela I mean so ke ne ke na le mosadi ne ke dula le ena mme wa bana ba ka ile le hona jwale ntse re ke gona ke kgweditse 4 kapa 5 a sa le siko a nsile le bana mo ke na lo tsamaya mona ke ntse ke bolela batho ka mokgwa mosadi o sena mosadi a bangwe tla kwala sebaka sa hae ka mokgwa ke ikutlwang ka yena ka teng so a bonala go maybe la ya baneng go nna le mo ile go nya ke mo jotla gona ke mo appreciate ha ka wa bonala go no le ntse ke sa itse ka go lekane
no mo tla doctor
ke gona mo ka
e re tse ora ke
wa bona go tla ka maphosa e go tla ka appreciating a person but bo sa etse ntho e buang e sinke ke o sinka
e sinke
pelong ka pakelelong ya motho. The other thing e re etsang ntate no go puditsa e nngwe ya dintho tse re shapang ke appreciate batho ba bang appreciate your partner batho ba bang yo motho ka sho motho wa ka o butoka morata tlheng o butoka witse o butoka o ametseng o butoka motho wa ka ka ba monna ka yo I love my man in yo that man witse o ntlhokometse but o botola everything you we buang yena a itsebi ntho e buang ba gotseng ba hao ka yena a itsebi
ya doctor
and but one again why you come up o tlo ka batho kana go tsedi bila hatsel a rwana tlo tla ka batho re mo motho na bua di bo a go ratang ka de wo no le botlhokwa wena o bo sa tsibi nix a o tsibi nix o tlanta tori a re o tshore o nantsa a re hona jole ko na regret o mametse bua ka wa regret wa utla hore ibile o tsamaile ibile ko na file ngora ona mothaka kwala se go sayo. And let me tell you something mama ba padisa verse no timo
all right doctor
November ntho e buang ke nnete ne boholo ba rona e seng kaofela mara boholo ba rona ha re appreciate ka nnete o tla bo feshela to ba ke le bo ka tšhelete mpileng yona thank you 26 o bile tsile ho yona mara ha bona le phoso yo ka nnete ha re tsete ho tlo mo ke tla kwata beke tse pedi ka yona ke re di tlang hape ha ke hopola ke a kwata hape ka yona gore ha re tsete ho kwata ene bua nnete e bolaya spirit sa boleng ba motho bane motho ene ha nsheba wa bona mama motho ene ke a leka maga ha it's gore la bane a nentse post mara e lutsa value post ya ha bane yona ke dula ke bua ka yona a batletela tsile a ya mole mara ha fihla la ntse poso a bantsa appreciate tu nebe ke sala ke le jalo ka ntlo e kgolo yo ke le usilo makgakgelo o bua nnete ke le bua di ke le tsa hona Dr. November ke le bua le Mpho studio ka mo ke Dr. Matebako.
Wow. Thank you so much.
We buile Dr. Matebako. We feditse Dr.
wa bona khotlela ka ntshenya ne re builang ka yona we motho e tsetse mistake o bo morrela o batla gore a utlwe gore o buela o ya hatela but ha mahla mo appreciate ngwe bo fita jona ka doda
o tla bozula ka moruti lo le dona le hita ka speed le hita le bene 2 minutes we tla ke se ka mona
ba tlo go ditse maposa re kwala re kwetse dipelo tsa batho ene batho ba sa tsebong appreciate ba ntse ba tlo kwala dipelo tsa batho whoever mo mamedi ya bapalang role bophelo mo make the person aware o mo yetsa gore a be aware o aware ka dintho tsa di etsa make the person aware gore motho mo dimike aware ka dintho tsa di etsa and when we yetsa motho aware mo yetsa gore a feel mo mamedi that one is very important the same way about what you the post or by feel or by the post when you appreciate your partner make the person understand ebi la ifika manyalo gore manyalo nke mono more feel and because o molo mona na re ke must no ke mosadi wa ka tsotsa mphele sometimes anta o phela anta o yetsa dinto you still have the right to appreciate your partner the way o apesa ka teng the way o shebana ka teng the way life ya o chinchile the way bophelo ba bo chinchile sisi kopane le motho those are the things o tsantse o yetse motho aware so that a tla gone o tswela pele o yetsa dinto tseno a gone and how long to mna tinta when o yetsa dinto o di etso le happy unlike o yetse dinto o fumana jalo so qobelehile you are forced to bana ke mosadi wa jalo tsantse o yetse dinto ka pa ke monna but how long to mna ti jalo o yetsa dinto o motho appreciate le nya o bontsha mo appreciate then o yetsa everything you yetsa jalo o yetsa o le happy o yetsa ka moya o monate so but ba tsantse ba ithute le chelete mo mame intse le monna wa mo mamedi intse le monna wa chelete intse le monna kopa le nkutlo mo mamedi I was not lying ha ke kana go tseding re nka di chelete bathong mo na stratong o ka di me chelete o jetse motho tlo mo patala ha go di fedile tsotso mo patala o na le mathata that thing is a sign ye bontsha gore chelete e mona to now when hona le motho ya ntshang chelete every month I'll fire on as a wife. You need to appreciate that person. You need to acknowledge that effort because tell you now when I'm on it. The company had a rato patala to the sense do board. That is why I can 250 tomorrow. Mushamu mistake 1,000 rand. Yes. Mushamu file 1,000 rand. Because my feel chance or by keep a child no. So we need to make sure Mumamid but both by and the efforts of Foruna, Luana yeta efforts Mumamid and appreciate a mutu and a mobile Mumamid Karata and then Kita Felakal. Panalibuhon, Kualam appreciate a Kamuno Mobo tank. Thank is for somebody who doesn't have anything to offer. But there's no way Mutayeta the effort that tangible, that's what I am. But every time when I'm label appreciate appreciate ka molomo le yona is totally wrong boss when ke etsa di efforts ke etsa dintho tse tshwarehang le wena if una le dintho ha re etse mohlala e bile ke rata ka ntho ka bukeng ya Bagabete chapter 6 verse number 6 if I'm not mistaken momamedi ere ba le rutang lentswe ka gona le arolelane maruo a lona ohle le bohle ba le rutang lentswe ba le rutang lentswe e ka gona le arolelane maruo now ntho engwa tisang ya batho kana go tsene re etsa so re appreciate ka molomo hona jole ke rat ke bua haholo motho tla bang appreciate ka molomo marana le chance re tate moruti tsara gift mpho tsara gift now what's over appreciate jang ka molomo just because rona re bua ka molomo re ba thusa ka molomo but let me tell you something go to school ngolo so ma teacher a patala bua ka molomo mar government ba appreciate ka ntwe tshwareyang e leng tšhelete ba ntse ba advise bana ka molomo how are you when we are the university the lecturer the appreciate working government ka salary le hoja a thusa ka molomo a bua dintho ka molomo so mo mamedi ka rata le batho ba le thusang e ka ba baruti ba lona ka bo mama learn to appreciate le nna le mpho if le feel or mpho re thusa November appreciate and mo mamedi is not enough for November a thusa ka pa mpho a thusa ka pa mama a thusa ka dintho tse tshwarang bophelo ba bo be transformed bophelo ba bo change mara wena bontse re thank you doesn't make sense when our improve una le change bophelo bao there is an improvement there is something mara wena mohlangwe tla mo November kapa umpho kapa whoever mona o re thank mo mamedi if government e patala di lecture for the tuto tsa bona
ka molomo ba bua fela ba patala if skolo se patala teacher kapa ma mistress for bua because government didn't understand how the pulalo tsa motho na di transform batho so you need to understand as a person you appreciate motho don't underestimate a person because o feel or yena o phoenix e tshwarehang therefore le wena tla molebua ka ntho e sa tshwareheng just because as o fa ntho e sa tshwareheng no it's wrong when motho a bua ka molomo momamedi wa karata a bua dintho ka molomo as long dinali impact to some bophelo ba you need to appreciate that person. Doctor Salite. Doctor Masagor Salite. Doctor go ba di nomoro tsa gago le kopana ne neng go riegala. Mamedi 073 ke di number tsaka. 202 ke nyadisa ke motivate ke tsa primary counseling ntwane le etsa di anniversary le ampitsa 073 202 9079 ke repeat personal number ka ke yona yo 073 202 9079 mo mamedi ke kenela ha o ka re go fe o kalama taxa face 3 ka pa face 7 o borfela ke kereke nya pastor November face 3 ka pa face 7 o borfela ke kereke nya pastor November then o tla bona ba tla o theola teng ka go le driver ka re ya Grootsley o mamedi feta le mo molo o feta mo Greek ba bitsa you safe pele nyano ka bona structure se se holo mo mamedi ka ratang sina le daka e red ke structure se se holo se tsileng re kena every Tuesday when on Sunday at 10 o'clock. Mamedi modima le bless a holo a re kopane like am page ya ka le follow ke nga se le gono tse ba re ke etsa eng kae mo mabedi na o tla mpona like le ka slope mere ke le pele Dr. Frida ai momamedi Frida has ke la force ke momamedi Frida kana ina tloko page nya ka Pastor November and Victoria's 5 minutes mamedi mo di tla ka ske saka eno bone ke motho a ke apere di proper ke apara bo like bo usba ka chick yes le make up ka dula handla se make up ene to fone ga gapele ka rotse ke se bile Dr. Masagor ka go shile ka guys, Maya. Bomano, Dr. Masagor.